Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will cook the termite mushroom that I go to pick it in the forest by myself. But today is special. I will cook in tuna fish. ไงเน่เนียงนองโมสงอประสัดกีฮาวประสัดจูรนองดะนองไตรทูโอยโฮตัวมือทาเธออย่างจนา Ingredient termite mushroom and some another mushroom that I found too and lemon grass garlic red onion chicken coop but no have I use just coop I no have one red chili MSG this light soybean sauce dark soybean sauce the salt and today I will add tuna fish I don't use fermented fish and hairy basil leaf and sour leaf สงอประเสริฐนะก็จะเมียนประเสริฐเมียนสระกรีติมซอติมกระหอมตีชูรสขนอก็อันนี้ซอสเนาะซอสถั่วเหลืองนี่ก็ซอสได้เคลียร์นี่ก็เมลอันนี้แมงลักอันนี้ใบติ้วนุ้ยหอยนี่ไงแน่น้องดะไตรทูโมมือเนอเธอยังจะนา Let's go to check it how I'm cook it today I speak English and Khmer in Surin for both language but the next cooking I will speak only English language let's go I cook with the charcoal today when the water is boiled already you add the ingredient add lemongrass chili onion garlic I always cook until the night time and salt add sour leaf where is sour leaf go ทำไมมีน้อยจังลูก then add chicken cube wet until ingredient mix well then we add the mushroom add soybean add dark soybeans, a little bit MSG, add mushrooms, I can find mushroom a lot today. Very happy that I can do it. You see, one pot cooking, I can find mushroom. Give a thumb up. Mushroom is cooking now. I will add mackerel fish or tuna fish, but I take only meat. Only part of meat to it's good. You see, I have to cook in the dark, so I use the flat light to helping to make a video. Finally, I will add hairy basil in my mushroom soup. Oh, I add too much. Thank you for keep watching until the end. I'm cooking mushroom soup today. If you like this video, please give a thumb up or share to your friend, and feel free to leave comment below. And if you ever try wild mushroom, which mushroom that you prefer, and if you are newer here, please support my YouTube channel by subscriber or press the bell icon for notification. It's not cost you any money. Stay safe and be healthy. Enjoy with the dinner today with me with mushroom soup. สวัสดีค่ะ